In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make money by watching any video that this site gives you, right? Any YouTube video. Now, before I start my video, I just want you guys to know that on my channel, I do not waste your time. I just go straight to the point. I don't act like other channels that, just show you unnecessary steps and make the video long for no reason, right? But anyways, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first site you wanna go to is called ucubez.com. U/Cubez or or whatever this middle button is, I don't know, right? So as you guys can see, it says earn cash online, view websites, complete surveys, watch videos, which is what we're here for, right? So once you come here, it's pretty simple. Click on sign up and it takes you to the registration page. Now, like I said, I'm not gonna waste your time showing you how to fill up a simple registration page, but it's basic. Email, confirm email, password, confirm password, full name, username, blah blah blah, gender. And one thing I just want to show you guys is that the country, as you guys can see, it supports any country, so no excuse, right? Anywhere you are in the world, it supports you. So I've already signed up before, so I'm not going to show you guys that. I'm just going to log into my account right now and show you guys exactly how you can start earning by just watching pretty much any video, any YouTube video that this site gives you, right? So it's really easy. So once you log in, this is gonna be your so-called dashboard, right? It looks really basic and simple, but it's kind of powerful. It's powerful, yeah, but it's really easy to use. So the first thing you want to do is it's simple. There's nothing you have to do. Just click on earn money. It's really that simple and easy. Click on earn money and you see it says view sponsored ads, my bad. So you click on view ads and earn per view. As you guys can see, you're earning per view. Now once we come over here, just scroll down a little bit and you can see there are a lot of offers that you can do. So if you watch this video, you're getting paid this amount. If you watch this video, you're getting paid this amount. So think of watching all videos like, reload the page, watch, reload the page, watch. You could be making, decent amount of money. I mean, it's not the biggest amount, but, if you do this a couple of times, it's just like you have a side job or a side income, right? So now I am going to show you guys a trick on how you could watch the videos very fast, because some of these videos might require you to watch maybe 30 seconds, some of them 2 minutes, some of them 1 minute. So I'm going to show you guys 2 tricks that you could use to speed up your watching video process, and you could watch a lot of videos and earn money, right? So let's just click on the video so I could show you guys. So we're just gonna check this one out and it's gonna take us to this page right here, right? So it says funny cat videos that are impossible to laugh at. So it's just gonna give you a random video, right? So now that you have this video, which is, for example, let's say you want to watch this video and they told you to watch 1 minute of the video in order to earn that amount of money, right? So what you're gonna do is come over here and click on this little thing that you could see that here that looks like a bolt or whatever, right? Just click on this, and once you click on it, it's gonna give you this little menu, right? So the first thing you want to do, in my opinion, is go to playback speed. Now as you guys can see, it's a normal, right? So click it and change your playback speed to 2. As you guys can see right here, put it at 2. It's gonna speed up the video. It's gonna make the video really fast. So you're tricking that site into thinking you're watching the video just like a normal person, but you sped up the video and you're just blazing through the video without the site knowing, right? So the next thing you want to do is click on settings again and then click on quality. Now this one's not that important if you have the fastest internet in the world, but if you don't have the fastest internet in the world, then you can click on 144p, which is the lowest quality. So it's gonna enable you to load the videos really fast. So with those 2 things combined, if you come back to your sponsored ads page, with those 2 things combined, you could watch this video, earn this amount straight up watch this one, earn this amount straight up. You could just keep it going like that. And most times once you refresh the page, you will get new offers here again for you to watch videos and earn. So it's really that easy and straight to the point. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is what I do on this channel. I look for ways that you could use to make little side income. So if you guys are new, leave a like, subscribe, and I will catch you guys on another one.